saving someone's life or getting free ice cream? I am sorry. I love ice cream. Not many people know this. I have no clue what I'm doing, but that's just my life in a nutshell. Oh, I'm wearing a collar. Who cares? No, just kidding, I care. I have been wanting to make videos, right? But the thing is, to make videos, you need actual footage. McDonald's, the 20 chicken nuggets pack, but surprise! It's Cheetos! That's where the problem comes in. This, I'm telling you, if you're gonna die, die in a haunted house. Someone asked if they can lick my feet. I have my Fursuit fan because I just bought it, and this one, and I broke it.